For them, is there any possibility of that happening? And if not, when? It seems like it's getting more and more unlikely every hour or so. As Nevada just got called by the Associated Press. An election expert, Paul Gronke of Reed College, just reached out to me and said the way he categorizes it is Pennsylvania and Nevada are now outside what he calls margin litigation. This means that there are so many votes, and tens of thousands of votes. Once you get that many votes dividing two candidates, the odds that any sort of litigation or any sort of recount can actually meaningfully affect the top line result is just very, very low. As NPR's Miles Parks separating fact from fiction on voting and vote counting for us during this election week. Thanks a lot, Miles. Thank you, Ari. And you're listening to live special election coverage from NPR News.
Well, it's really just because we didn't. How could you know? Why would Pennsylvania and every state?
Flash flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the Appleton, El Dorado, Burns, Scarlet, Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California until 10:15 a.m. At 9:37 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunder